to our lesson 2 of our HTML series. In this lesson, in this video, we shall learn about the basic syntax of HTML. Now, how to start writing code in HTML and all the basic tags that we write in HTML. Now, what we are going to learn in this lesson is that what is a tag, difference between body tag and head tag, difference between tag, element and attribute, importance of indentation and comments in HTML. This we shall be learning. So for that, first of all, let's go to our code editor and see how we write the code. This is the VS Code. Now, in VS Code, I am going to create a new file. You will see this one. So let me start it from the beginning so that you can understand. I am opening it. This is my VS Code here. Once I open the VS Code, the interface comes like this. And this is the folder where I am, and I am going to write a file. I will provide you a tutorial for VS Code in case you find problem. In this series only I will give you a tutorial on VS Code, how to work with VS Code. Now, first thing, you should give the name of the first file is that index.html. You can use either HTML or you can give HTML. We shall be using HTML and press enter. Nothing is there. This is totally empty. It's very easy to write the code here. Type here HTML5. It comes automatically. Either you can click with the mouse or you can press the enter. See here, the code has come automatically. This is the one that I was talking about in the last lesson, DOCTYPE HTML. DOCTYPE has to be in capital. This HTML you can see is the opening tag and this HTML is the closing tag. The difference you can see is that one backslash is here. I mean a forward slash is there. This slash is there which is not here. For head also you can see this is the starting tag and this is the end tag. For body also you can see the starting tag and end tag. The end tag will have the slash. These are all the tags. The first tag is the HTML. Within HTML tag we have got two important tags, that is one head and another is body. Right now the body tag is totally empty. In the head tag you can see there is something called title. Title also have a starting tag and an end tag. I think it's clear to all of you. The end tag have a slash while the starting tag don't have the slash. Now where this title will come, I will show you that. Let's change the title, say our first HTML document. I have written here our first HTML document. What we can do, right click here and click on Open with Live Server. Once you do it, see, this is the one, the title. The title comes here. Nothing comes in the body. This title will come here above our first HTML document. Whatever you will type, that will appear there. So any changes you do, you have to save it and then go here and refresh it and you'll find it. There are some meta tags here. I will just give you an overview. This char set or character set UTF-8. This means this HTML document is going to use UTF-8 character sets, and these two we will explain you later on because right now it will be complicated for you. So keep it as it is. You don't have to change it. And here only you have to write the tags. We have seen the difference between a body tag and head tag. Now, what is a body tag and what is a head tag? Let me explain you. Whatever you type in the head tag will not be displayed in the body. Body means this portion. The white area that you can see is the body, and the head section you will find the only visibility is that you can see the title. Then in future when you will be adding CSS, JavaScript, that time we have to use the head section. In the head section, everything happens in the background, which we cannot see, but it affects the entire document from the background, and there is no display in the body. So this is the difference between the head tag and body tag. Whatever you will type here in the body will be displayed in the body section. I have just typed this and let's refresh it. See, it has come here. Whatever you will type will come here in the body section, but in the head section nothing, no effect will be there. Now, tag, element and attribute. What is a tag, what is the element and what is the attribute? Now let us see from here. The head is a tag, end head is a tag, body is a tag, end body is a tag. These all are tags. In title, if you see, title is a tag and this is called the content. Our first HTML document is called the content. So together all of them is called a element. End tag, starting tag or start tag, content and end tag together is called a element. So I think you have understand what is the element. When we add together the end tag, the start tag and the content of the element, content means which is there inside it. From here till this is the content. Together becomes a element. Attribute. If you can see here, name equal to viewport. This name equal to viewport, name is the attribute and viewport is the value of the attribute. Similarly, content is the name of the attribute and device wide equal to device wide is the content. Here content is the attribute and I equal to each is the value. So these are the attributes. So three things we have understand: what is the attribute, what is the tag, and what is the element. For example, I'll show you one heading here that we can write. That is the first heading I'm showing you here, H1. H1 is a heading, and let's write here one line of text, hello world, and save it. See, the hello world has come there. H1 is a tag. H1 along with hello world and the closing has become the attribute. The element. And let us give one. Now H1 is the starting tag, slash H1 is the closing tag, and the content is hello world, and this is the element, and in between we can give some other attributes which I will show you in the next lesson. Now, importance of indentation and comments. Now, what is indentation? See it properly. Head. Then inside head we have meta, character set, meta, HTTP, equip, meta name, title. All of them, if you can see, are not placed in the same line as of the head. It has been aligned right hand side. Similarly, after body, H1 is there, which we have pushed it to the right side. This is called indentation. And if we don't give the indentation, or if we type it like this, it becomes very difficult to understand compared to if we put it like this. There is something called comment. As we have seen comment in other language also, if you have done, here is the comment that we can write here. Let's give here one more, say H2. This is a sample text. Now, if we want to make it a comment, you can put the mouse here and press Ctrl and the slash that is under the question mark in your keyboard. This is called the comment. This comment means this text will be there in your file, but will not affect the screen or not affect the display in the web browser. See there, that text is not available there anymore. Again, if you want to remove it, again same thing, Ctrl slash save it and see it. Again it has come. Again, if you want to give the comment, you can Ctrl slash. This is the importance of comment. I hope what is tag is clear to you. Difference between body tag and head tag. Difference between tag, elements and attributes. Importance of indentation and comments in HTML are clear to you. Tags are the name of all the tags that we use, like HTML, head, title, body, H1, P. When the opening tag, closing tag and the content are combined together, then it is called a element. And attributes, we have the defined attributes that we can give as I have shown you, like p align right. For example, in our example, we can show you here. Let's save it and check it here. See, it has gone to the right side. Now, this align is the attribute name and right is the attribute value. The attribute value has to be within code, and try to use the same code. If you are using single quote, use single quote. If you are using double quote, use double quote. And equal to sign is has to be there. This all in this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.